Should I introduce myself?
Yeah, if
Okay. My name is Rebecca Murphy, and I just graduated in May 2011 from St. Mary College of Louisiana as an English major, which is why I'm helping out with this grant proposal, like editing and going through and just assisting Gretchen with this grant work. I'm also working in the office with Russell, answering emails and things like that, and tutoring in the afternoons. But this is actually my second trip to McLeod Ganj. I came with my university in May of 2008 and just loved it here, and I fell in love with the people and the Tibetan refugees, and I think that Law is definitely like one of the best organizations that are doing most for the Tibetan cause and just for Tibetan refugees coming from Tibet. So I decided to come back and help for about a month. I arrived in McLeod Ganj on January 20th, and I'll be here until February 28th in the morning. And so I'm just working on as much as I can to help Law out and to help the Tibetan cause. So.
okay.
Yeah.
And both of you, you're also like attending the courses and giving some lessons, no?
Oh, yes. Actually, I'm tutoring 2 Tibetans right now. A monk named Kunsong and a niece of one of our guides from last time. Her name is it's really hard. Her name is Lufer Lamo, and she's wonderful. I'm teaching her math and science, and I'm teaching Kunsong English, and also just helping out Russell with emails and stuff. So.
Okay.
And conversation class also at 4. We go in and just have a group discussion of different topics every day.
Okay, and I didn't know that there were also some kind of tutorials here. So how does it work actually?
When you volunteer to come here, you have to fill out a volunteer application. They send an email that says you've been assigned to this and this and this, and in order to tutor, you just the office has a list of people who would like tutors for their English classes and things like and other classes if they need it, and they introduce you to the Tibetans, and then you go and you find a place to tutor them, and it's completely up to your schedule. So you can tutor like an hour a day, or you can tutor like 2 hours a day or 3 hours a day, however much your schedule allows. So,
oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.